Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to hide someone's Instagram story. So if you also want to hide someone's Instagram story, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Instagram has been opened. Initially you'll be in the home interface. In the home interface at top you'll be able to see the stories of the people that you follow. For some reason, if you do not want to see someone's story, if you want to hide their story, it is very simple. For that you'll have to mute their story. Muting their story is very simple. For that, what you have to do is wait for that person to upload the story. Once they upload the story, simply long press on the story. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find two options over here, view profile and mute. Simply tap on the mute options that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. You can unmute them from their profile. That person will not know that you've muted their story. If you only want to mute the stories, simply tap on the option mute stories. But if you want to mute the stories and posts, you can tap on the option mute stories and posts. In order to hide the Instagram stories, simply tap on the option mute stories. Now the story has been muted. So that is how you hide someone's Instagram story. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.